So I bought this Adirondack chair out of the box, put it together, and after several years in the sun and being outdoors, it only has about that much of the finish left, and most of it has just been baked out and rained on. So sun does the biggest amount of damage, but you also might get stuff breaking off. So I gotta glue this back up. I'm gonna sand it down. I'm gonna add some oil to it, and I think I can bring this back. This is what it looks like right now. Now I have several different finishes that I could use for this. Mineral spirits is mainly just to thin most of these things down. You just need some sort of solvent that can break some of these down. Danish oil doesn't usually need to be thinned. It's usually made so you can easily apply it. This tung oil, I think, doesn't even have real tung oil in it. I think it's in the style of tung oil. Boiled linseed oil, or BLO, is it takes linseed oil and kind of extracts it. True boiled linseed oil is better, but this is more of a production level, probably not a very good version of it. And then tung oil, in my opinion, is one of the best oils to add to wood. This is really thick, so you're gonna have to thin it down a little bit with this. First off, I'm gonna glue this piece onto here. Luckily it's a nice clean break. I'm gonna apply some of this Tight Bond 2, which is a water resistant exterior glue. I'm gonna add it onto there, spread it nice and even, and then I'm gonna clamp it up with these. I'll show you what it looks like after that. Okay, I got that spread out pretty good, and now I'm gonna attach it and clamp it to the chair. You use something like mineral spirits to cut this so it is able to sink into the wood grain easier on the first application. I haven't used this container of tung oil for a while, so when I cracked it open, I definitely smelled it to see if it smelled rancid at all, and it smelled pretty good. So it smells kind of like Play-Doh. So you're gonna take some of these mineral spirits, and you're gonna, ooh, that is not mixed very good. I'm gonna grab this turpentine and thin the tung oil with that. So I added about 50-50 tung oil and turpentine. I'm gonna apply it with this cloth. I have a glove on because it's oil and solvent, and we just want to have a really good first layer to this. So it doesn't really matter where you go. You're just gonna start applying it. It'll just start soaking it up. You'll immediately see a difference in the wood as soon as this goes on. It'll start looking like it's white or wet, and it'll just start sucking up this oil. Tung oil is something you want to add multiple layers, but the first thing we need to do is hydrate the wood. And even though you're using an oil-based finish, you're still hydrating it. You're filling the cells with a more of a liquid than it's completely parched right now. So it's going to take a little bit to absorb it. This is what it looked like after the oil. This is what another one looks like prior to oiling it. Makes a big difference.